Hello guys. My name is Rada, and I will be your teacher for the software design pattern in Python. Before we start, I want to show you what you will learn in today's video. In this video, we will understand and see an example in Python of the factory method design pattern. I will use Python 3.8. So, let us start. The factory design pattern is used to create objects of different types, without having to specify the classes that create them. We will take an example to understand more. This is Emma. Emma want to buy a drink machine, which can make her the drink that she want. So, first we will have a class of each different type of the drinks, juice, coffee, and tea. We will make them all inherit from an abstract class called drink. The drinks machine will also have a class, which we will call drink factory, and using this class, we will be able to call different objects of the classes juice, coffee, and tea. Now, a student of mine will implement the factory method design pattern.
Okay, now we will start by creating the first class, drink. Drink is an abstract class, so we should import the model of the abstract base classes from ABC, import ABC. Okay, great. Now this class will have only one method. Let's call it drink is ready, for example. Pass. Okay. So now we should create the other classes. We'll start with class juice, which will inherit from the class drink. So we should define the class drink is ready. So I will just print juice is ready. Okay, great. I will also define the method init just to notice when the object of this class is being created. So I will just print juice preparation, like this, for example. The same thing with the other classes. Class, let's call it coffee, for example. Coffee. And the other class G and T. Now we created our three classes, tea, coffee, and juice, which inherit from the abstract class ABC, and we define the abstract method drink is ready. Now we create the class drink factory, which represents the drink machine. In this class, we should be able to call one object of these classes that we want. So we just add methods. First method, make juice. Okay, so juice print. It will return object of the class juice. That's it. Other method, def make coffee, return coffee, object of the class coffee. Define make tea. It will return also an object of the class T. Great. To make it easy, we will make those methods a static method, so we can call them without creating an object of the class string factory. Static method. Copy. All the methods should be static, and we should remove self. We don't need it here. We don't use any attribute of or method of the class string factory in those methods. So now we should try our program. If name equal name. So now we create our first string. So we should call the class string factory, and punct here we can choose what we want, which string we want to have. We have 3 strings here: juice, tea, and coffee. You can see now that the user can easily know which object can be created with the class string factory. So we have juice, we have tea, we have coffee. That's all. We have 3 strings. So he doesn't get confused. So for example, he wanted juice. So we choose juice. So now with this static method, you can see how we can call the methods. We just write the name of the class, punct, then the method that we want to use, without creating an object. It's easy. Okay, now we will add drink. Drink is ready. So we see run. Here you can see that we called an object of the class juice. Here, juice preparation, then we call the method juice is ready. So it worked fine. So we can choose other drink, for example tea. Now we try again. You can see that we create an object of the class tea, and we use the method with this in this class. You can see now how easy it is to call an object of other classes without knowing what is in those classes. Just with the class string factory, you can call method. You can call object of other classes. In this example, these 3 classes. You can also add another drink. For example, class. Let's call. It's easy to extend. So let's call this class soda, for example. Soda. That's all. You add the class soda here, and you can add another method here in the class string factory to call the object of the class soda. Let's call it just make soda. That's all. And you come here and you write here in the program soda. Make soda. Let's try this. And I forgot to change the name here in the class. No, I did. That's why I got T. Here I should call the object of the class soda. Okay. Now let's run this again. You can see that we got an object of the class soda, and we use the method in this class. Soda is ready. That's all.
You can see now that using the factory method pattern, we can call different objects without dealing with how those objects are created, and it will be also easy to add new drinks classes, like soda for example, to the code without breaking the program. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I see you soon.